Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Tech Savvy Engineer. This is an unboxing and review video of Spigen Tough Armor case. This case has a model number of ACS02683, which is designed for OnePlus 9 Pro. It is black in color. This case has dual layer body with flexible interior and durable exterior. It has extreme impact foam for extra shock absorption. It has mill grade certified with air cushion technology for anti-shock protection. You can see I am putting the Spigen case on OnePlus 9 Pro. It fits it easily. You can see from each angle the buttons are working fine. It is a good case. I recommend this case for OnePlus 9 series users. It also has this stand which is useful when you are watching any movies or videos. This Spigen Tough Armor case is compatible with wireless charging. I am going to test it for wireless charging with OnePlus Buds Pro. Now enabling the reverse wireless charge and grabbing the OnePlus Buds Pro. This is the OnePlus Buds Pro, putting it on the back side of OnePlus 9 Pro. Now I can see that the charging has begun. See the reverse charging light which is green in color, that indicates that the earbud is fully charged. Now pressing the buttons are quite easily to operate. Now switching off the reverse charge. So this Spigen case has power button and alert slider cutout on right hand side with plus and minus volume buttons on left hand side. It has two notification up and down and has USB and volume speaker cutout on downside of the case. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more upcoming videos.